Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your ringtone in Facebook Messenger. So guys, go to your profile, then scroll down a bit and then go to notifications and sounds. So guys, you can see the first option there, tap on ringtone. So friends, here you can see a lots of options to choose from to choose which ringtone you want to have in Messenger. You can choose any one of them as your ringtone for Messenger. Let me give you a demo. Acoustic guitar, back road, bell phone. So yeah friends, that's how you change your default ringtone for Messenger. If it helped, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching friends, and see you in the next video.